If you avoid these 3 Ps in PCOD, you'll see a huge improvement in your health. The first P stands for poor nutrition. Nutrition plays a major role in PCOD. That's why it's important to avoid sugar, processed food, and junk food, and instead include whole grains, vegetables, fruits, healthy fats, and lean proteins in your diet. The second P stands for poor sleep. Lack of proper sleep causes hormonal imbalance, so make sure you sleep and wake up at the same time every day and get at least 7 to 8 hours of sound sleep. The third P stands for passive living. Sitting for long hours and not exercising regularly can make PCOD symptoms even worse. So if you remove these 3 Ps, poor nutrition, poor sleep, and passive living, and make your eating a little more mindful, PCOD can be naturally managed and healed. Today, I'm going to show you a full-day vegetarian meal plan where every dish helps balance hormones, keeps your blood sugar stable, and supports your body's natural healing process. Let's begin our day with a refreshing morning detox. This is the ABC juice, made with apple, beetroot, carrot, and ginger. Let's understand why these 4 are a gift for women's health. Apple helps control sugar levels and keeps your hormones balanced. Its natural fiber keeps you full and supports gut health. Beetroot purifies your blood and supports healthy ovulation. It also improves skin glow and energy levels in PCOD. Carrots reduce estrogen dominance and clear hormonal acne. They're full of antioxidants that heal your skin from within. Ginger reduces inflammation, bloating, and period pain. PCOD isn't just about hormonal imbalance. It's your body's way of asking for care, rest, and better food. When we start nourishing it the right way, healing begins naturally, from inside out. This juice you're making right now isn't just a drink, it's a daily dose of balance. Beetroot and carrot support your liver, helping flush out extra hormones. Apple keeps your sugar steady, and ginger reduces stress and inflammation. Every sip gives your body what it truly needs: clean energy, better digestion, and stable mood. Most women with PCOD feel tired, bloated, or anxious. But when your diet becomes colorful and natural, your energy slowly comes back. Your skin clears up, your cycles get regular, and your confidence returns, without harsh medicines. So while this bright pink juice spins in the blender, remember, healing doesn't happen overnight. It happens one healthy choice at a time. Just make this juice every morning on an empty stomach. Drink it fresh within 10 minutes and watch how your body starts responding with time. Let this be your small promise to yourself to choose food that heals, to move, rest, and smile a little more every day. Because in PCOD, consistency is stronger than any medicine. We're starting this recipe with split chickpea, a powerhouse of plant protein and fiber. For women with PCOD, split chickpea chana dal is a superfood. It keeps your sugar levels stable, reduces sudden hunger cravings, and supports natural weight loss. Its slow-digesting carbs give you steady energy, and the high protein helps improve insulin sensitivity, which is one of the root causes of PCOD. We're blending it today with jalapeno, lemon, garlic, lentil, and salt to make a light, tangy dip. Perfect with our lentil pancakes. This little bowl not only adds flavor, but also gives your body the fuel it needs to stay balanced all day. Next comes our red lentil pancake, a comforting, protein-rich breakfast that keeps hormones in check and energy steady. Red lentil is rich in iron, protein, and B vitamins, which help in improving metabolism and balancing hormones in PCOD. When we blend it, it turns into a beautiful, creamy base that makes our pancakes both light and nourishing. Adding veggies, a little boiled potato. It gives smooth texture and keeps you full for longer. And mixing batter, each one adds flavor and helps fight inflammation naturally. And yes, when combined with lentils, it creates a complete protein, perfect for vegetarian diets. As these pancakes cook, remember, your food is your first medicine. When you give your body clean, real ingredients, it knows how to heal itself. This breakfast keeps your blood sugar balanced, reduces cravings, and gives you steady energy throughout the morning. Serve it with our protein-rich split chickpea jalapeno dip with lentil pancake, and you have a perfect PCOD-friendly breakfast. Simple, flavorful, and full of healing. Balancing lunch, fresh energy for PCOD. The Rainbow Protein Crunch Salad. Let's dive right in. First up, take 1 cucumber. Peel it if you want and dice it into small, juicy chunks. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in fiber, perfect for digestion and hydration. Next, dice up 1 onion, a flavor bomb, and a beauty booster. Onions are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that support clear skin and immunity. Next, grab a 1 carrot, peel it, and cut into small pieces or julienne. Raw carrots help lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Plus, they add that signature crunch. Add a few small pieces of jalapeno. Totally optional. But they add a spicy kick that wakes up the whole bowl. Plus, the jalapenos are great for boosting metabolism. Next, chop up a ripe tomato. Tomatoes are rich in fiber, which supports gut health and keeps digestion running smoothly. Now, let's toss in a handful of mixed nuts, like walnuts, almonds, or cashews. These are full of healthy fats and plant-based protein, essential for muscle repair, brain function, and heart health. Add a few diced or sliced dates to the mix. Dates offer natural sweetness and a chewy texture. Plus, they're packed with iron and quick energy. Time for the protein boosters. Boiled half-cup peanuts and 1 cup chickpeas for plant-based protein and fiber to keep you full and energized. Now feta cheese to add creaminess and a salty contrast. Season with salt and pepper. Now let's bring it all together with a vibrant, zesty dressing, the lemon butter cilantro dressing. In a small pan, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter. Toss in a handful of chopped cilantro. Give it a gentle stir. Let those flavors infuse. Then turn off the flame and your warm dressing is ready to go. Pour that golden, citrusy dressing all over your colorful mix and give it a gentle toss. Make sure every bite is coated with that lemony, herby magic. Pro tips: make it vegan by skipping the butter and feta and using olive oil instead. Add avocado or roasted sweet potato for extra creaminess and carbs. Store dressings separately if prepping ahead for the week. This salad is everything, bright and beautiful, packed with flavor, and ready in minutes. Whether you're looking for a light lunch, a post-workout meal, or just a feel-good bowl of nourishment, this salad doesn't just fill your stomach, it heals your hormones, 1 bite at a time. It's evening, that time when you want something light, tasty, and nourishing. Today, I'm making tofu masala delight, a home-style recipe with a little twist, perfect for women's wellness and balanced energy. Let's start with extra firm tofu. It's rich in plant-based protein and calcium and super easy to digest. Slice it into small round pieces. No need for perfection here, because this is home cooking, made with love, not pressure. Now, don't waste those tofu scraps. We're turning them into a creamy protein paste. In a blender, add the tofu pieces, 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour, a pinch of turmeric, salt, and black pepper. Add a little water and blend until smooth and velvety. Tofu and chickpea flour together make a protein-packed combo that supports metabolism and helps balance hormones naturally. Next, let's build our flavor base. Heat a little oil and sauté onions until they turn soft and golden. That sweetness adds so much depth to the dish. Now add bell peppers and tomatoes. They bring beautiful color and loads of nutrition. Vitamin C, antioxidants, and that inner glow we all love. Cook them until the tomatoes turn mushy, then add your favorite spices: turmeric, coriander powder, red chili powder, a pinch of cumin, and some salt. Stir everything and let it simmer for a few minutes. Now make little spaces in the sauce and gently place our tofu rings in. Aren't they adorable? Pour the blended tofu paste inside each ring. Cover it and let everything cook together for 7 to 8 minutes so the flavors can blend and the tofu sets beautifully. And look at that! Our tofu masala delight is ready. Garnish with some fresh coriander or parsley. You can serve it with a slice of multigrain bread or just enjoy it warm straight from the pan. This dish is perfect for evenings. Light on the stomach, rich in protein, and deeply satisfying without feeling heavy. It not only fills your tummy but also uplifts your mood. So next time you crave something flavorful yet mindful, try this tofu masala delight, a dish that doesn't just taste good, it makes you feel good too. Light, nourishing, and full of comfort. This mung bean porridge bowl is everything your body craves at the end of the day. Take half a cup of rice and half a cup of mung beans. Wash and soak them for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let's start with our dates and tomato condiment. It's not just delicious, but a real nutritional powerhouse. Add 1 cup of water, 1 tomato, 1 garlic clove, and 4 to 5 dates. Boil them together for 2 to 3 minutes, then turn off the heat. Peel the tomato skin. Cut it into pieces. And transfer everything into a blender. Add a pinch of salt. You can add your favorite spices too. Blend it smooth. This simple vegan and gluten-free condiment is sweet, tangy, and made completely without synthetic sugar. Now let's make the mung bean porridge. Finely chop 2 garlic cloves. Transfer the rice and mung beans into a pressure cooker or instant pot. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 bay leaf, 2 cloves, 2 tablespoons coconut powder, and salt as needed. Sauté for 2 minutes until lightly toasty. Then add enough water and cook. First 5 minutes on high, then 15 minutes more on medium heat. When it's done, the texture should be soft and creamy, not too watery, just comforting. Add a little more water if needed. And bring it to one quick boil. That's the perfect porridge consistency I love. Now serve it warm. Topped with a spoon of yogurt and a little dates and tomato chutney on the side. It adds a creamy flavor and the perfect sweet-salty balance. And if you start following these kinds of recipes regularly, you'll definitely begin to see a difference. Because real healing, especially for hormonal balance, always begins right in your kitchen.